Grade 7 LCM. Today you are going to learn LCM of grade 7. So before starting LCM means you need to know that LCM. This segment is found in the segment of factors and multiples. Factors and multiples. The lesson is factors and multiples. Under that lesson, you need to learn about LCM. LCM means least common multiple. So before starting this segment, you have to know about multiples. Multiples. Okay, multiples. We are going to learn about least common multiples. Now we are going to learn about multiples. Multiples of 2, multiples of 2. Tell me, what are the multiples of 2? Yes, what are the multiples of 2, right? What are the multiples of 2? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. These are the multiples of 2. So, multiples of 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 and so on. These are the multiples of 3. So, in order to learn about the LCM or least common multiple, you have to know about multiples. Multiples of 2, multiples of 3, multiples of 4. Yes, what are the multiples of 4? Multiples of 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32 and so on. So you know the multiples of, you have got an idea about multiples. Here we are going to learn about least common multiple. Okay, LCM. Let's find the LCM. Find the LCM of 4 and 6. Yes, let's find the LCM of 4 and 6. How can you find the LCM of 4 and 6? Yes, to be found the LCM of 4 and 6, you need to know about, we are going to find the LCM of 4 and 6 using the knowledge of multiples of 4 and 6. Let's find the multiples of 4. Yes, multiples of 4. Yes, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. Yes, these are the multiples of 4. So, multiples of 6. Yes, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36 and so on. These are the multiples of 6. So, multiples of 6 and multiples of 4 we've written. So, what is our intention? What we are going to do right now? We are going to find the LCM, least common multiple of 4 and 6. So, 4 and 6. What's the least common multiple? Least common multiple of 4 and 6. Here, common multiple. Here we are talking about common multiple. Common multiple. What is a common multiple? What is a common multiple of 4 and 6? Least common multiple. 12 is a multiple of 4. 12 is a multiple of 6. So the least common multiple of 4 and 6 is 12. Then 24 also can be taken as a common multiple, right? Here 24 is a multiple of 4. 24 is a multiple of 6. Here we need to get the least common multiple. So what should be the least common multiple of 4 and 6? Yes, LCM of LCM of 4 and 6 is, yes, 12. 4 and 6 is 12. LCM is 12. So 24 also can be taken, but that is not the least common multiple. So the least common multiple of 4 and 6 is 12. Okay, so we could get the LCM of least common multiple of 4 and 6. This is the second method. Considering the multiples, we could get the LCM of given numbers. Now we are going to find the LCM. Already we've taken the LCM of 4 and 6, that 12. The same value can be taken using the method of division as well. I will divide this. 4 and 6 can be divided by, you need to get the least number that can be divided by 4 and 6. Divisible by 4 and 6, which is 2. Then 4 over 2 is 2. 6 over 2 is 3. Then again 2 is a multiple of 2, therefore we could divide. Then 2 over 2 is 1, here 3. Then 3 also can be divided by 3 again. Then here 1, 3 of 1, 3, 1. So LCM we could get, this is the second way of getting the LCM of 4 and 6. Then we could multiply this 2 into 2 into 3. We don't take this 1 and 1. Then 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 2, 4 times 3, 12. So we are able to find the LCM of 4 and 6 using the method of division. So when you practice, you could get the answers of these types of sums. Okay, so I taught you right now within very short period of time the way of getting the LCM using the multiples and also using the method of division as well. So I taught you two ways of getting the LCM of given numbers. I'll be teaching you more sums in the near future. Okay, many thanks.